Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Another property, another corner property here in Greenwoods with swimming pool. Alright. Yung full details, full description ng property, sasama ko na lang po. Pakicheck na lang po sa my description area. Alright. Pero to, maganda to. Pasukin natin. Naantay ko lang si Kuya. May inayos na ng konti. Pero wait nyo yung video ha. So ito na, i-stop ko muna and tutuloy ko na lang. Alright. Okay, tara, pasok tayo. Okay, so unahin natin dito yung pool area. Right? Then yung falls. Then doon, may kasya po na one parking. Okay? So, one car, kasya po doon. Then yung another two cars, yung two parking space natin nandito. Okay? So, two parking space po ito, ha? So, total of 3. Tatlong sasakyan po ang kasya, tatlo. Then yung papunta doon is service area. Yung hagdan doon sa may dulo, kung nakikita nyo, paakyat po yan ng ating maid's quarter. May sariling toilet and bath. Okay? Pero hindi na po ako aakyat doon. So pasok tayo sa main door. Okay. So ito ating porch area. Alright. May tayo sa may hagdan. Dito may mga cabinet dito. Good for your storage area. Then ito yung buong ground floor. Okay. So punta tayo dito sa kitchen area. Kitchen island. Built-in microwave oven. Meron tayong induction and range hood. Then dito, meron tayo ditong common na toilet and bath with shower enclosure na rin yung ating bathroom. Again, ito yung ground floor natin. So yan, may sliding door, access po doon sa ating swimming pool area. Diba? And then, ito yung magiging living area with split type aircon and naka-high ceiling na rin po yan. Okay. So, yan. Taas na ceiling. Okay. So, ito yung ating living area. So, basically, dining area, yung may access na yan going to sa ating swimming pool area. Okay? Sa pool area. Tara. Akyat tayo ng ating second floor. Again, this is located inside Greenwoods Executive Village. Medyo pricey po talaga. Hihingi lang ako ng updated price doon sa ating seller, ha? Pero expect nyo na siguro po yung mga 29, 28, 29, 30, yan dito. Okay, so I think this is the master's bedroom. Right, so meron tayo dyan feature wall. And nandito yung ating walk-in closet and toilet and bath. So, tama. Ito nga po yung ating master's bedroom. So, nandito yung toilet niya. Right? And yung kanyang shower area with the bathtub na po. Okay? Paka-elegante naman. Ang elegante, no? Right? So, another look. One more look. This is space ng ating master's bedroom. Okay? So, master's bedroom po ito. With split type aircon. Okay? Then, ito yung kanina, yung high ceiling from doon sa ating ground floor na living area. Alright? Then, second bedroom po. Second bedroom dito sa ating second floor. Again, with split type aircon. And meron siyang private bathroom area. Right? So, with shower enclosure na. So, yan yung built-in cabinet at yung split type aircon. Okay? Ito may cabinet dito. I guess this is for the excuse me, for linen cabinet siguro. Pero itong kwarto na to, same bedroom po nung isa, may sariling CR po yan. Okay? May toilet and bath po yan. Nakasarado lang kasi may gamit po yung may-ari. Right, so proceed na tayo sa ating third floor. So dito sa third floor, meron tayo dito napakalaking family area. Paunahin ko muna to. So again, meron na naman tayong linen cabinets dito. Then, first bedroom dito sa third floor. Right. Meron siyang kasamang window type na aircon naman po. So tama lang yung space. Tama lang po na mag-window type na lang. No need for split type aircon. Right? Then, may sariling toilet and bath. Okay, so ito yung family area. Pwede nyo gawing entertainment area. Alright? So, family gatherings. Diba? Okay. Then, another bedroom here with the window type aircon. And meron din siyang built-in cabinet and sariling toilet and bath. Well, parehas lang naman yung nandun. Okay, so no need na po na pasukin ko pa yan. Again, yung family area natin. And meron tayo dito balcony. Ayan, balcony yan. So mamaya. Ito, common toilet and bath. Again, naka-common na naman po yung toilet and bath dito. May isang naka-common. Kasi mamaya, pag dinala niyo yung visitors dito, di ba? Parang di na sila bababa. So, dyan na lang sila gamit ng CR. Then, ito yung another bedroom here, dito sa third floor. Ito yung walang sariling toilet and bath. Diba? Kaya yung isang toilet and bath is naka-common. Alright? For visitors na rin pag dinala nyo. Then, ito po yung ating balcony dito sa third floor. Okay! So, yun lang. Again, this is located in Greenwoods. Yung price, hingi ako ng updated price, ha? Pero expect nyo na siguro mag-range ng mga 30 more or less. Okay? Hindi ko lang sure. Andiyan naman yung number ko. If interested kayo, message lang kayo. Okay? Para hihingi na rin ako sa seller. Misa kasi nagbabago-bago sila. Yung iba nagtataas, yung iba nagbababa. Diba? So, mas maganda kung mag-message kayo para as in, on that day, hihingi ako ng updated price sa seller. At kung available pa, hindi po ba? Alright, so yun lang. Again, my name is Bino, Pensi Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po and God bless everyone. Bye-bye!